Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Rhoda Snyder. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today's video is going to be making mahamri, or how to make sweet mahamris at home. So you're going to need 2.5 cups of wheat flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix it all up. Then the next step, we're going to add sugar. It will depend with how sugary you want your mahamris to be, but for mine I'm going to use 3.5 tablespoons of sugar. Then I'll mix it all up. The next ingredient is 1 teaspoon of mixed spices and a half teaspoon of cardamom seeds, or iliki. If you don't know, cardamom is just iliki. It should be ground or crushed. Mix it all up like so. At this point, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. You don't need much of it. Then we are going to knead it. Here you use your hand for it to be well mixed up. Once all the lumps are gone, you can add 1 cup of milk. Don't add it all at once. You can add it bit by bit as you continue kneading, like so. Ensure that the milk is well mixed with the powder or with the flour. If you run out of milk, you can also use water, but don't use so much water, just a little bit. You want the dough to be soft and not sticky also, so the end result should look like this. Cover it and wait for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Then on a flat surface, put your dough and roll it out. Make sure it's rolled out. It should be an inch thin. Once that is done, you're going to use either knife or cookie cutter to bring out the shapes that you want. For me, I'm just going to use a knife and make some squares and rectangles. So if you've watched up to this point and you've enjoyed the video, kindly comment down below what you think about it. And also, don't forget to like. You can also share with your friends. Our next step is going to be deep frying. Put your mandazis or your mahamri doughs into the frying oil. Then wait until it's golden brown and turn the other side also to be golden brown. You are going to do this in batches until all of the dough is cooked. This is a very simple and easy and also quick recipe to do. You can do it in the morning and have this for breakfast. You don't have to wake up that early, as long as you take the 30 minutes to leave the dough to rest. And just like so, it's done, guys. Thank you so much for watching once again. Kindly hit the like button, subscribe, share, comment, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Bye.